Hey guys, this is called the Lukat Fix It. It's a color and gloss restore. If your paint job peeled and you've got like, this is exposed color base coat, this is clear coat right here. A temporary fix, it works, it looks really good. You can reduce the way it looks. It's got too much contrast. This is flat, this is shiny. You use this, it's a paint cleaner, not a wax. So what you do, you just put it on like that. And what you do is you clean. No waxing here. You don't do circles, you just go back and forth. And that ugly spot is gonna look way better. Okay. Remember, the paint job that's exposed becomes oxidized because it doesn't have any protection, but it's still got shine. So this is gonna bring out the shine, then we're gonna use a sealer to lock it in. So this is the cleaner. It's got no wax in it, it's already coming out. Look at, that's just the dead paint on the surface, but we're not removing all the paint. We're just cleaning the paint that's toasted and brittle. I'm gonna do that strip up here. Then we're gonna seal it up, and you won't really notice it anymore. How long are we in?
Minute 17.
So far, this is done in a minute 17 seconds. I've done this much. Okay, it's just about polishing, wiping back and forth, no circles. Now, you'll notice that it doesn't really stand up. That's because the flat exposed color base coat, like right here, it's refracting light. Okay, so now I'm going to use another product. This is a sealing wax. It's a really good wax. Just put it on like that. A little bit goes a long way. The first one we use has no wax, it's pure cleaner. This one right here, awesome stuff. Put it on, and the longer you let it dry, the harder it becomes. It's a wax carnauba with polymers. It's really good stuff. Okay. So now, you should let that dry ideally for about 15 minutes, then you take it off. But now the part that was flat and oxidized, that oxidized patina, it's no longer flat. It's going to be refracting light. So you won't really be able to notice it. Look at this. And you just put the sealer wax on once, twice a year, maybe. In that case, you don't need to for more than a year. But remember, when you have that problem where the clear coat's peeling, this you can feather back. I have other videos. Look for the ones on fixing peeling clear coats, and we teach you how to feather back this stuff. It's really easy to take off, but you can polish. You want to polish the exposed color base coat so it'll match closer to the clear coat. You don't really notice it anymore as compared to what it was. All right, guys, just remember, you can clean your paint jobs, your old cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. You can clean your paint jobs. You can clean your windows with this stuff, remove the dust streaks. You can clean your headlight lenses with this stuff, remove graffiti, light scratches, water stains. This stuff is amazing. It's a very awesome product to have in your inventory. Look how ugly it looks over here, because that's too much contrast. This is refracting. This is not. Now over here, it's not really refracting. So you want to clean the paint job, and that's what we did. You clean it, seal it. Now, if you guys want to put more wax on there, give it more pop, go for it. Thank you very much, guys. Later.